But you might think, where is that value? Right? Basically, you call this function, we return, but that value is like in the void. So most of the time, we're going to declare a container that then we can put that value here. So for example, we can let, and then we're going to say, hey, I want a result. The result will be equal to that call of function. And then the call of function will return a value, and then the value will be inside the results. And of course, if I run this is just a simple assign the value into the results. I'm not going to say it. So what I'm going to do is to confirm that by print this results. And then you will be able to see this result being printed out, hopefully, here, 30. Okay, so basically I declare a variable, a constant, sorry, just a container. And then we assign that value inside the container and then print that container out. So basically this is how you can use the return of the function and then use it later on to call that value out. Just store that in container first and call that out.